भवन का प्लीनरी हॉल 66वें राष्ट्रीय फिल्म पुरस्कार वितरण समारोह के लिए पूरी तैयारी में. There is a palpable sense of excitement here. Akshay Kumar on the screen. Excitement for the practitioners of cinema in all its magnificence and all its myriad facets, and for the lovers of cinema to witness this celebration of the best films of 2018. The awards are being presented in three main categories: feature films, non-feature films, and best writing on cinema. The National Film Awards were established in 1954 to encourage production of films of a high aesthetic and technical standard and educational and cultural value. The awards were instituted as State Awards for Films but were renamed National Film Awards at the 15th National Film Awards in 1967. The inaugural award was entitled the President's Gold Medal for the All India Best Feature Film and was awarded to the Marathi film Shamachi Ai, produced and directed by Prahlad Keshav Atre and based on Pandurang Sadashiv Sani's Marathi novel of the same name. The very first film of Indian cinema was Raja Harishchandra, which brought about a revolution in the way stories were told in our country. With time, cinema became a vehicle of change and a vehicle of excellence. And today, India is the world's largest film producing nation. Dadasaheb Phalke, the father of Indian cinema, was a multifaceted personality and an ace photographer. The highest award in cinema, the Dadasaheb Phalke Award, is given in his name. It was first presented in 1969, and the first recipient of the award was Devika Rani, who was honored at the 17th National Film Awards. Dadasaheb Phalke's grandson was here on the red carpet a few moments ago, and he shared with us how Dadasaheb Phalke had sold off everything he had, including his wife's jewelry, to produce the first film that began the history of Indian cinema. So much excitement here to see the stars who are present here, the actors who have won the award for Best Actor, Vicky Kaushal, and also the practitioners of cinema. So these are the people who have excelled in every field of making a good film. Sridhar Raghavan, the child artists who have won awards, and a film really is an amalgamation, a coming together of many talents and many crafts that combine to make this beautiful whole. We are expecting the Honorable Vice President of India, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu, to arrive here in a short while from now to present these awards. For the child artists, this is of course a special occasion. When a film is made, it goes through its various processes, right from the time when the first thought comes into the mind of the writer or director, and then it spirals into the various technical aspects, the acting, the editing, the camera work, lighting. All the people come together, and at that time, the focus is on making the film. And it is only later, when the film is released and it receives accolades and critical acclaim, that suddenly it acquires this life of its own, where it is seen all across the country, and many of the films travel all across the world. Awards at the time of making the film may not be important, but once the film is made and is so well received, these awards and accolades add to the encouragement for the practitioner of cinema. And the national awards are the highest awards that our country gives to good cinema. A proud moment for the family and friends who are also present here to encourage their loved ones.
Request all the guests, awardees to please take their seats. Please settle down. We are about to begin. ये बात साइलेंस तो बोलना चाहिए. Excuse me, hello, silence. नमस्कार. मैं सोनाली कुलकर्णी, सूचना एवं प्रसारण मंत्रालय भारत सरकार की ओर से 66वें राष्ट्रीय फिल्म पुरस्कार समारोह में संपूर्ण भारतवर्ष से आए हुए पुरस्कृत कलाकार, निर्णायक मंडली एवं अन्य अतिथिगण का स्वागत करती हूं. आज के समारोह में मैं आपके साथ रहूंगी और आपको विभिन्न पुरस्कारों के लिए चुनी हुई फिल्मों और उनसे जुड़े अनेक कलाकारों से परिचय करवाऊंगी. आज राष्ट्रीय फिल्म पुरस्कार के इतिहास में एक और अध्याय जुड़ रहा है. आज इस समारोह में हम अवगत होंगे वर्ष 2018 के फिल्म जगत के सर्वश्रेष्ठ कलाकारों से, उनके कार्य से, कार्यशैली से, उनके संदेश एवं उनके विचारों से.
A very good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, I, Divya Datta, welcome you to the 66th edition of the National Film Awards for the year 2018. Today, we have gathered here to not only honor the cinematic excellence, but also to celebrate the glory, the art, and the spirit of the vibrant society of our country.
राष्ट्रीय फिल्म पुरस्कार का संयोजन हर वर्ष सूचना एवं प्रसारण मंत्रालय के अंतर्गत फिल्म समारोह निदेशालय द्वारा किया जाता है. इस निदेशालय का उद्देश्य भारतीय फिल्मों को एवं सांस्कृतिक आदान प्रदान को बढ़ावा देना है. इसी क्रम में फिल्म समारोह निदेशालय देश भर में विभिन्न कार्यक्रम आयोजित करता है और अनेक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय फिल्म महोत्सव में सम्मिलित होता है.
Every year, the National Film Awards are given in 4 broad categories: feature film, non-feature film, best writing on cinema, and most film-friendly state for their contribution in the promotion of excellence in filmmaking. The aim of these awards is to promote research in cinema as an art, through books, articles, reviews, and its promotion through dissemination and broadcast of information and theoretical deliberation upon the subject. Apart from these, the most prestigious film award, Dada Saheb Phalke Award, is conferred upon an individual for his outstanding contribution to the growth and development of Indian cinema. Earlier recipients of Dada Saheb Phalke Award have been great artists who have left a permanent mark in the Indian filmmaking. Dada Saheb Phalke, also referred to as the father of Indian cinema, worked throughout his life for Indian film industry, and the award is conferred upon individuals who have carried his image in their life and work. This year, the prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke Award has been conferred upon Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji. Amitabh Bachchan ji has found a way to portray the inexpressible. What was widely considered as beyond the realm of an actor ordinarily, Amitabh Bachchan ji was able to effortlessly depict it on screen. His acting transcended all linguistic and social boundaries and has established an emotional connect with the viewers around the world.
इस वर्ष फीचर फिल्म श्रेणी में 25 भाषाओं में 407 फिल्मों की एंट्री हुई, जिनमें से 16 भाषाओं में बनी 37 फिल्मों को पुरस्कृत किया जा रहा है। गैर फीचर फिल्म श्रेणी में 19 भाषाओं की 255 फिल्मों में से 7 भाषाओं की 22 फिल्मों को सम्मानित किया जा रहा है। सिनेमा पर सर्वश्रेष्ठ लेखन की श्रेणी में 6 भाषाओं की 24 किताबों, 5 भाषाओं की कुल 21 फिल्म समीक्षकों की एंट्रीज दर्ज हुई, जिनमें से पुस्तकों एवं 2 फिल्म समीक्षकों को पुरस्कार के लिए चुना गया है।
Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome our honorable dignitaries on the dais. Shri Firdausul Hasan, President, Film Federation of India. Shri Firdausul Hasan has produced many Bengali movies, including Mayurakshi, that won the 65th National Film Award for the Best Feature Film in Bengali. Shri Ashok Dubey, President, All India Film Employees Confederation. He is a noted film director and producer. His Tamil language 1997 film, Arasiyal, won Tamil Nadu State Film Award for the Best Film. Now let us take a moment to have a look at the award-winning films and the awardees of the 66th National Film Awards.
We asked him, "Are you happy?" The woodcutter said, "Yes, definitely I am happy." "So give me your shirt." "Sir, I don't have shirt."
जैसे मंदिर में पंडित होते हैं वैसे मस्जिद में मौलवी होते हैं।
तो आप दोनों सेम हो?
बेटा, जो काम पंडित कर सकता है वो मौलवी नहीं कर सकता।
आप क्या पंडित जी से कम पावरफुल हो? अल्लाह से मस्जिद नहीं मिलते। आप प्लीज ये खाना खा लीजिए।
That have exploded into more than 400 species, yet they continue to elude us. I'm passionate about wild amphibians.
तो महात्मा गांधी के स्वच्छ भारत की कल्पना माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को साकार कर रहे हैं।
हर जगह से इतने बढ़िया संदेश आने लगे। बहुत खुशी की बात है कि रेलवे बोर्ड ने इसको अत्यंत सराहा।
यशवंत होती ज्योति भाणे, यशवंत होती ज्योति भाणे।
पूर्णतः के कारण लड़कियों की कमी हुई है, इसलिए हमारी जनरेशन है उसमें ही भुगतना पड़ रही है।
There is a strong correlation in districts which have low sex ratio and crime against women.
25-30 years ago, I could not have imagined a gang rape in Haryana.